For almost the entire drawing, this portrait looked completely wrong. But then, one small detail changed everything. At first, it's just lines, messy outlines, boxes, nothing that actually looks alive yet. I started with the background first, just to create some atmosphere before touching the portrait itself. I wanted the entire drawing to feel soft, almost quiet. The hair took away longer than I expected. There's a always stage where pencil drawings stop looking good before they finally start coming together again. Then came the violin. Probably my favorite part in the entire composition. It added this balance to the portrait, like the drawing suddenly had a sound to it. This is a usually stage where I start questioning the entire artwork. Because it still looks unfinished, but there's already too much time invested to stop. Slowly, the smaller details started connecting everything. My hands were frustrating though, I kept changing small things over and over. Trying to make them feel natural. the folds, the shadows, the darker pencil tones. At this point, I stopped feeling like random graphite on paper and started feeling like an actual moment frozen in time. That's probably my favorite part about drawing, watching something appear slowly. And then finally, the face. I avoided it for hours. It's strange how entire emotion of a portrait depends on tiny details. Out of absolutely nothing. Slight shadow, a small change in the eyes, and suddenly the drawing starts feeling alive. And after all the layers, this was the final result. Honestly, I'm glad I didn't give up on this one.